Hello everyone, welcome back. Out again, and I haven't been here for about 10 weeks and oh, I've missed this place. I'll just show you what's here because there are mushrooms everywhere. And I ain't eaten one of them because I don't know what they are. I know they're mushrooms, but yeah, are they edible? I doubt it. Yeah, in a different tent tonight. I brought the Tamar 2 out. And yeah, the nights are drawing in now and it's going a bit colder, so I'm thinking that the Tamar 2 with the fly sheet is about half an inch from the ground. And there's a lot less mesh, I should say, a lot less mesh inside the tent, which I'm hoping that will keep me warmer. Whether it will or not, I don't know. But I got the winter sleeping bag and everything else with me, thermals, and should I need them. So, thinking of going there tonight. Let's get it up. Rocking a new microphone. So I'm hoping that there's no lag, because my videos from here, especially because like there's no signal here, there's no phone signal or nothing, so, and it's starting to rain. Great. I'm gonna get this tent up as quick as I can. That's the tent up now. Whew. Everything's all nice inside. I haven't put the guidelines on. It's pretty sheltered in all these trees, and this new light, I'll try not to blind you, it lights up the whole camp, the whole forest. Yeah, I'll talk about this, you know, I'll use it quite a few times before I see if it's any good, but at the moment, pretty impressed. You got bright, dim, and a side torch, dim and off. But obviously if you leave it on for more than a minute on one setting, when you go to change it, it just goes off. It only goes through the modes, you know, within a time lapse, within a time, like a timer. Let that catch now. I brought it from home. Like I say, it's only a short walk in here. While that fire's catching, I want to show you these. Look at the size of that. Now I ain't touching them whatsoever. You all know me, always got time for the coffee. This was my very first wild camp, so yeah, it's very special to me, this. It's like, this is where it all began. Yeah, I do like it here. Oh, I have my tea as well, so I'll put a bit more water on. And got this again. I enjoyed this last time. It's pasta with fungi, because like I said in my last video, I'm a fungi. Yeah, I really enjoyed this one. So having this again. Oh, can hear the little toenails out already. I don't know if this mic's going to pick them up. You hear that one? I'm trying to make it a bit homely and dare I say Christmassy. But yeah, they just come on. I know, the big C's only just around the corner, aren't they? Are we all going to be able to afford it this year? Gee, I know we're struggling. Yeah, I think everybody is. This fire's roaring now. I have to salvage some wood, see if it's dry from over there. Yeah, just kind of sitting on my coat. It is 100% waterproof. It's on the outside. Well, and inside, I think. Try and move the light away so it's not directly at you. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get a fire today. Well, tonight. The rain we had here at tea time, oh my god. But I had my heart set out on coming out, so I thought, there's no rain going to put me off. Let's give it a clack down again in about 40 minutes, according to my app. Yeah, it's a shame, round because there's no signal here at all. No phone, nothing. When I'm up the mountain, I got 5G, and that is incredible. As soon as you click on something like YouTube, or if you want to Google something, it's instant, it's there. Yeah, really good. Yeah, it's only now that I'm starting to learn how to pack my rucksack. The winter sleeping bag's in there, I had all my food in there, everything in that bag, and there was still a little bit of space at the top. Not a lot, I could have got maybe a t-shirt in there. So people was asking me about my bag being like a TARDIS, because in my last video with what I take, people was like, Christ, it's like a TARDIS. So yeah. I was trying to work out earlier what I could leave out, and I had everything laid out again, and I thought, well, I use absolutely everything, so what do I leave out? And I was like, and I thought, sod it, if I can get it in, it's me carrying it, if I can get it in and I'm comfortable, I'll take it. Right, let's have a look at this. Oh, I added a touch more water to this one because the last one was a bit stodgy, and oh, there's a lot more. It looks a lot healthier. Put it that way. See if it's cooked. Oh, do you know what? That is, you haven't got to add salt or pepper, nothing to it. It's lovely. There's the little sachet that comes in with it. That can go in the fire. This river's raging now. When I come here last, it was just a little trickle, so I'll grab you now and I'll show you. This was the edge of the stones before. See how it hits the bank all straight away? Yeah, we'll put some more wood on the fire. Finish this coffee. Yeah, the kids are going to be pretty mad with me. Full pack of Jaffa cakes. Yeah, just trying to see which is the best way to have this torch, because I'm frightened of it all being too glary in front of the camera. I barely got a flame. Oh my fire, the wood's soaking. Absolutely soaking. So it is what it is. Still got my coffee here as well. Don't want that to go cold. Yeah, a little bit of flame coming in now. They say if you glare at a fire and threaten it, it comes alive. And it is. I don't know. Going soft in my old age. God, you wouldn't believe, it's only 7:30. Yeah, me. This is the sad thing about the winter. Why they alter the times, I don't know. You know, leave them alone now. Just made myself one more coffee. Fire hasn't got long now. Oh, this is nice. It's fully pitch black now. I dare say it's about 25 past 8. Bella's not with me tonight. Thought I'd just give it a night off. So, and yeah, I'm in the Tamar too. So, yeah, we'll see how that fares tonight. Yeah, looking at the app, it's given to be 6 degrees. Feels like 4. So, and I can see all stars in the sky. So, yeah, I'm expecting it to be probably 4. In the tent now, had to make a bit of a dash. It started clacking down. Me saying I could see the stars and it wasn't going to rain. Yeah. Wind's okay at the moment. But yeah, when the rain started coming down, the drops were huge. So I thought, oh, grabbed my stuff, legged it to the tent. Put my thermal military fleece on now. So yeah, might make another coffee in a bit. And yeah, if it gets worse, I'll bring you back. Yeah, just an update as well. This will be my second camp with, it's going again now, with no beer. And yeah, the last camp I slept really well. Didn't even wake up to go to the toilet, I don't think. So yeah, giving it a go. No beer. Good morning, everyone. I was really red hot last night. Didn't even have my down jacket on. I just went in my fleece. This is just like a quilt. And yeah, I just checked my app now before I pressed record, and it says it's 9 degrees, feels like 5. So there is a bit of chill in the air, but yeah, under this, oh, toast. Yeah, it's 6:05, and it's still pitch black outside. So yeah, I'm gonna get a coffee on, get most of this packed away, finish my coffee, and then get the tent down probably. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Holding up my head torch. I just done a bit of recording, and yeah, you couldn't see me. All you could see was a bright light. But I got everything packed away now. Everything's in the rucksack. I just got to take the tent down, which, I'm not kidding you, is absolutely soaking. I'll show you now. The outer fly is soaking and the inner fly is soaking, but the actual inner is bone dry. Thank God. Yeah guys, you're gonna have to trust me on this one. There's my bag of rubbish. That was where I stayed, and yeah, trust me, there is no trace. It's LNT. Right, I don't know if you can see me or not, but I am going to end it here because there's quite a bit of a walk to the car. Not a great deal, but you're not going to be able to see the film. So, as always guys, enjoy yourself, get out there, and if you can't get out there, press subscribe and I'll take you. Take care guys. As always, take care, be safe. Till the next one. Bye for now.